Question 1. What does this road sign indicate? 1. Stop before proceeding. 2. Merge with left lane. 3. Straight through only. 4. Pedestrian crossing ahead. Correct answer. Straight through only. Question 2. When facing uphill without a curb, turn the wheels. 1. Toward the curb. 2. Sharply to the right. 3. Straight ahead. Sharply to the left. Correct answer. Sharply to the right. Question 3. What does this road sign indicate? 1. Loose gravel ahead. 2. Stop ahead. 3. Uneven pavement ahead. 4. Wildlife crossing. Correct answer. Uneven pavement ahead. Question 4. What does this road sign indicate? 1. Winding road ahead. 2. Slippery when wet. Sharp turn only. 4. Steep grade ahead. Correct answer. Winding road ahead. Question 5. What should you do after checking your mirrors before a lane change? 1. Turn on your hazards. 2. Check your blind spot. 3. Move into the lane. 4. Speed up to pass. Correct answer. Check your blind spot. Question 6. What is overdriving your headlights? 1. Driving too close to vehicles. 2. Driving beyond headlight range. 3. Driving without headlights. 4. Driving over the speed limit. Correct answer. Driving beyond headlight range. Question 7. What does this road sign indicate? 1. Divided highway continues. 2. Two-way traffic ahead. 3. One-way street begins. 4. Center lane for passing. Correct answer. Two-way traffic ahead. Question 8. What hand signal indicates a cyclist's right turn? 1. Bend left arm downwards. To extend right arm horizontally. Raise left arm straight up. 4. Extend right arm downwards. Correct answer. Extend right arm horizontally. Question 9. What does this road sign indicate? 1. Center lane for left turns only. 2. Two-way left turn lane ends. 3. Pedestrian crossing ahead. 4. One-way street ahead. Correct answer. Center lane for left turns only. Question 10. What does this road sign indicate? 2. Slippery when wet. 3. Wildlife feeding area. 4. No passing zone. Correct answer. Deer crossing. Question 11. How many demerit points result from failing to stop for a school bus? 2. 9 points. 3. 4 points. 4. 6 points. Correct answer. 6 points. Question 12. When a white walking symbol is displayed, pedestrians 1. Must wait for hand symbol. 2. Cross only on a green light. 3. May begin crossing immediately. Must yield to vehicles first. Correct answer. May begin crossing immediately. Question 13. If you are inside a roundabout when an emergency vehicle approaches, you should 1. Continue around until it passes. 2. Stop in the circulating lane. 3. Exit and pull over immediately. 4. Move to the center island. Correct answer. Exit and pull over immediately. Question 14. What should you check before slowing down for a roadside stop? 1. Tire pressure. 2. Seatbelt fit. 3. Engine oil level. 4. Mirrors and blind spot. Correct answer. Mirrors and blind spot. Question 15. Which action helps prevent a skid on slippery roads? 1. Steer gently and brake smoothly. 2. Brake hard in one motion. 3. Accelerate before turning. 4. Steer rapidly and sharply. Correct answer. Steer gently and brake smoothly. Question 16. What does a flashing green light on a vehicle indicate? 1. Snowplow working ahead. 2. Tow truck at roadside. 3. Volunteer emergency responder. 4. Utility crew on highway. Correct answer. Volunteer emergency responder. Question 17. People operating medical scooters are considered what road users? 1. Heavy trucks. 2. Pedestrians. 3. Cyclists. 4. Motorists. Correct answer. Pedestrians. Question 18. How many demerit points does a driver get for using a handheld device while driving? 1. 2 points. 2. 4 points. 3. 6 points. 4. 3 points. Correct answer. 3 points. Question 19. What gear should you select if your gas pedal sticks? 2. Drive. 3. Neutral. 4. Park. Correct answer. Neutral. Question 20. What is the first step in a minor no-injury collision? 2. Call police for every collision. 3. Exchange info with other drivers. 4. Move vehicles off the road. Correct answer. Move vehicles off the road. Question 21. What is the first action after a tire blows out? 1. Ease off the gas pedal. 2. Accelerate to the shoulder. 3. Turn on hazard lights. 4. Brake heavily. Correct answer. Ease off the gas pedal. Question 22. At an uncontrolled intersection, if 2 vehicles arrive together, who goes first? 1. Vehicle on the right. 2. Vehicle on the left. 3. Vehicle that signals. 4. Larger vehicle. Correct answer. Vehicle on the right. Question 23. What entitles a vehicle to park in disabled spaces? 2. Accessible parking permit. 3. Safety standard certificate. 4. Driver's license. Correct answer. Accessible parking permit. Question 24. What does this road sign indicate? 1. Construction zone. 2. Falling rocks ahead. 3. Steep hill downhill. 4. Hidden intersection. Correct answer. Falling rocks ahead. Question 25. When parking facing uphill with a curb, which way do you turn the wheels? 1. Straight ahead. 2. Toward the road. 3. Toward the shoulder. 4. Toward the curb. Correct answer. Toward the road. Question 26. What does this road sign indicate? 1. No passing allowed. 2. Truck climbing lane. 3. No entrance. 4. Right turn only. Correct answer. No passing allowed. Question 27. You may pass a left-turning vehicle on the right shoulder when 1. The shoulder is paved. 2. No one is behind you. 3. Your headlights are on high beam. 4. The center line is broken. Correct answer. The shoulder is paved. Question 28. What does this road sign indicate? 1. Merge into traffic. 2. Come to a complete stop. 3. Proceed with caution. 4. Stop only at crosswalk. Correct answer. Come to a complete stop. Question 29. When turning right at an intersection, who must you yield to? 2. Oncoming vehicles turning left. 3. Vehicles on the right. 4. Pedestrians in your path. Correct answer. Pedestrians in your path. Question 30. Who must accompany a Class G1 driver? 1. G2 license holder. 2. Driving instructor only. 3. Licensed driver with 4 years exp. 4. Licensed driver with 2 years XP. Correct answer. Licensed driver with 4 years XP. Question 31. What does this road sign indicate? 1. No parking both directions. 2. Bus loading area. 3. No parking zone ends. 4. Parking meter ahead. Correct answer. No parking. Both directions. Question 32. At how many demerit points does a new driver receive a warning letter? 1. 4 points. 2. 2 points. 3. 9 points. 4. 6 points. Correct answer, 2 points. Question 33. What does this road sign indicate? 2. Two-way traffic ahead. 3. Bike route begins. 4. Divided highway begins. Correct answer, two-way traffic ahead. Question 34. A G2 driver under 20 is exempt from passenger limits when 1. With a fully licensed driver. 2. On highways under 80 kilometers per hour. 3. When alone in the vehicle. 4. Between midnight and 5 a.m. Correct answer, with a fully licensed driver. Question 35. After a collision, you should refuse to sign 1. Blank forms. 2. Insurance estimates. 3. Medical bills. 4. Repair orders. Correct answer, blank forms. Question 36. What does this road sign indicate? 1. Tram crossing. 2. Bicycle crossing. 3. Railway crossing. 4. Bus lane only. Correct answer, railway crossing. Question 37. What does this road sign indicate? 1. Crossroad junction ahead. 2. Sharp turn right ahead. 3. Hairpin turn left ahead. 4. Right lane merges. Correct answer, sharp turn right ahead. Question 38. What does this road sign indicate? 1. Pedestrian scramble crossing. 2. Crossing guard ahead. 3. Pedestrian priority zone. 4. No pedestrians allowed. Correct answer, no pedestrians allowed. Question 39. What does this road sign indicate? 1. Advisory speed 50 kilometers per hour. 2. Maximum speed 50 kilometers per hour ends. 3. Speed limit 60 kilometers per hour begins. 4. Speed limit 50 kilometers per hour begins. Correct answer, speed limit 50 km/h begins. Question 40. When turning right, where do you look for cyclists? 1. On the dashboard. 2. Rear view mirror. 3. Right blind spot. 4. Left side mirror. Correct answer, right blind spot.